Hi and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be covering Haiper. I hope that's the way it's said, Haiper, which was one of the early adopters of AI video and has something quite cool that it does with images. Let's check it out now. So this is Haiper. Let's go through Haiper for you and see if it's going to be for you. So this is let's go to the holding screen, the main screen first of all, so you can have a look at the impressive videos they've got on the front screen. So you can try this for free. It's a really good intro. Just gonna zip you through some of the stuff it's got there. So let's go in. So you get credits per day. I think it's 250 a day to play with, and then you can upgrade on here. So we've got on the left hand side, we've got Explore, which is the main screen. Then you've got Spotlight, which is the different videos that they've highlighted, your profile, and then Membership, which is pretty low to get started. And if you're using Make or Zapier to connect to videos and do video automation, there's an API as well, which is really cool, as a lot of video sites don't have APIs. So we've got text to image, which I'm not going to show you, but you can create images for here. And then you've got the styles, which is down there. You've got the size of the image, and you've got the res, depending on the amount of credits you want to use. And then you've got seed. So if you're creating something in the same type, the same style, you can use a seed, which is really handy if you're creating something in a series or some videos together. So I'm not going to show you that. Text to video I'm going to show you. So again, same things apply. Let's do cyberpunk. Let's do a rabbit, spell rabbit in space. Let's do it SD so it's quicker. Let's do normal phone size, and then you've got 2 and 4. I'm going to do it on 2 so we have it quickly. And then over here, just click 3. Final point, the create in public you can switch off if you pay for the membership. Hyper's really good at one specific thing, which I'll show you after this. I'm just going to show you some of the videos that I've created. This was earlier today, just a 2-second robot in space. So the quality is not crisp, but with Haiper, what you can do is you can regenerate, you can vary the prompt, you can repaint and extend, and you can enhance, which is very cool. So it's crunching away there. I'd like to show you obviously how fast it's going. So it's pretty good. This video came out really well for a video I was doing. So basically moving the video from one place to another. Cool. As you can see, it's got no restrictions as well, like some of them have. This was crazy. This was 2 images that moved into one to another, morphed. And then I'll show you how to do this next. This is from as I say, this is what Haiper is really good at. One image to another image to another image. So the first image was me in the Matrix. The second image is me as a spaceman, and the third image is in Tron. Again, obviously we can increase the quality of this, but it's not bad. I think you've got to decide. I've done lots of videos on all these AI video sites, and you've got to really decide what is going to be for you. Your budget for this one is low. You can get started doing some stuff. If you're doing testing or you're doing a mock-up or something like that, this is really good. And you create lots of videos for not very much money, but there are other levels and other ways of doing it. It does create its own images, which is a bonus. Let's have a look at our rabbit in space cyberpunk style. So it's only 2 seconds, not much going on. Hey, sometimes it doesn't create what you want. I can do another one, of course, but just giving you a quick blast. The robot one you saw, which I did earlier. So let's move on to the next part. So image to video. This is what most people are using it for. And as I said, the video of me changing from one to another is keyframe conditioning. So what you can do is you can take one image. So let's take me in the spaceship to another image there, me in the Matrix. And then let's do something near Star Trek. Again, you may have seen the videos online on TikTok and YouTube and stuff like that, where people are doing it as a history of their life, where they start as a baby and then they do the toddler, 11 years old, 20 years old, 30 years old, and stuff like that. This is a great way to do that for not a great deal of cash. So let's do a longer version. So I'm going to click 8. So that's going to use some of my credits. The other ones didn't use credits. So I'm just going to remove the prompt. I'm going to put it in higher fidelity. Create that for us. Not going to use a seed, and then I'm going to create. And it's going to go away and do that. You can see how long it is. So what do you think? Any good? And I thought it was really, really nice start. And I do love their simplicity. The way they've set up and the way they create the videos is really good. I do like the free credits. I do like the way you can create your own images, which helps. I think some of the other better generation products for video really, okay, it started, really help the process by having a image that they've created, because they know the seed, they know what they've created in that way, and they can use that to animate and create similar images. It's just easier rather than analyzing it, working out what bits what, and then going through. I'm sure it does that as well, but what I feel is that the process is definitely faster with images that it is created itself. It's pretty good. This is 10 o'clock in the morning, so America's not up, which is usually the biggest challenge with creating video with some of the sites. I don't know where the servers are, but I guess most of them in the States. So there we go. What else we got here? Creation mode is still that. Video, image. There's some images that I created from it was like a pop video kind of thing. So this was the same prompt that I put in for Midjourney. As you can see, it pretty much created the same as what I had. That was the images that Haiper created, and this is the original from Midjourney. So we can certainly use some of that in there. Let's have a go at this one. What we can do is use that to create a video. Well, let's just do a smaller one so we get something quickly. Put smiling or something. Always a good test. Again, a lot of this is free, so you can go in and go see what you think before you buy the membership, if you're going to do that. Giving away as well. So I'm going to just stop here, let it finish, and then show you. It's been 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and they're both finished. So let's have a look at this one. A bit crazy, that one. It's only 2 seconds. So it can't do much in 2 seconds. And this is our 3 image from morphing from one to the other. Morphing. That wasn't a pun. So give you some idea. And obviously you can upgrade, you can upscale these as well, which I won't do there. But it gives you an idea. So where do you place it in the AI video generators? It certainly is in there somewhere. It's very cost efficient. It's very fast. It creates images, which is a real bonus. And it could be for you. And it leaves me to say thank you ever so much for watching. And I will see you on the next one.